Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Sodium for Minecraft. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, we only need to download 3 things, okay? So just go ahead and close the launcher and open up your favorite browser. And then once done, just go ahead and type down Fabric. Hit on enter or Fabric Minecraft. Click on the first search result. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and click on download right here. Wait for it, and then download the Universal Jar or the download for Windows. It's up to you. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and save it on my desktop. And then while it's downloading, go ahead and grab the Fabric API. Now go ahead and go to Files right here. Select the version, of course, your game version. And then the mod loader would be Fabric. Now go ahead and grab the latest one at the very top. And then a download page will pop up. Save it wherever you want as well. Now we have 2 files. What's left? The third file would be Sodium. Okay? Sodium Minecraft. Go ahead and find it. You can go ahead and download it from Modrinth or CurseForge. Let's just go ahead and use Modrinth right here. Okay? Now, for versions, you can go ahead and basically just click on download. Okay? Select the game version 1.21.11 or depends on your launcher version or Minecraft version. Okay? Platform, of course, Fabric. Download. Desktop. Save. Close the browser. And we now have 3 files. So double click on Fabric Installer first. Select the same version. Install. Wait for it. Hit on OK. Close. Delete the Fabric Installer. Now we have 2 files left. So open up your launcher. Go to Java Edition, Installations, then Fabric Loader, click on the folder icon. Now go to the mods folder. If you don't have a mods folder, just right click, new folder, name it mods, okay? Double click, move these 2 in here. Wait for it to load, and once that's done, you can now go ahead and close the browser and play using the Fabric Loader, okay? And Sodium will be preloaded as well. So let's just wait for it. So we now have the game loaded. Let's go ahead over to options and check it out. And then video settings right here. Click on it. As you can see, Sodium is now available. You can go ahead over to quality, performance, and advanced section. Hit on done. Open up a world. Okay. So Sodium right here is just an optimization tool. But if you want to download a shader pack, well, it will be separate. Okay. So that's it for now. That is how you download Sodium for Minecraft. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.